Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Hening Triharyumi. You can call me Hening or Yumi. I was born in Bekasi and I really like volleyball. I'm currently studying at Bina Sarana Informatik University majoring in Computer Science, class 15 to C5 blank, and this is video. I will discuss material about the inside of a computer along with its software and operating system. For those of you want to know, before continuing to the main discussion, what is a computer? Okay, a computer is group of electronic devices consisting of input command, devices that process input, and output devices that provide information and work automatically. Computers are used to perform data calculation in the form of entering input data, process data, and producing output information using certain hardware and software. So a computer has four main components, namely arithmetical logic unit, control unit, memory, and input and output devices. Okay, let's just discuss the first point, namely the arithmetic logic unit is part of the central processing unit which perform arithmetic and logic operation on operation in computer instruction, also divided into two units, namely the arithmetic unit and unit logic, where the arithmetic logic unit is a part of the CPU that handle all calculation that may be required by the CPU. And in point 2, there is a control unit, which is one part of the CPU whose job is to provide direction, control over operation carried on in the arithmetical logic unit section of the CPU. The third point is memory, where the definition of memory is a device or system used to store information for direct use on the computer or computer hardware and relate digital electronic devices. Okay, next, and this 4 point. There are input and output. In computing, input devices are equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system, while output devices are hardware component of a computer system that display information to the user. For input devices themselves, for example, there is a mouse, scanner, keyboard, and touchpad. For output devices, there are monitor, speaker, projector, and printer. Okay, next, good for measure computer memory. Here you can, For memory itself, usually level 1 or 0 stored in a byte. 1 byte consists of 8 bytes. 1 kilobyte consists of 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte consists of 1024 gigabytes. Consists of 1024 megabytes. Okay, next. Continue to the second discussion, namely software and operating system. Software data is data that is formatted and stored digitally with a specific function, and operating system software is the system responsible for controlling and managing software and basic system operation. An application program is a type of program that you use after the operating system is loaded. Example include word processing program, a spreadsheet, and database. Okay, and here the operating system, there are Windows, Linux, and OS. Where Windows is Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows 7. Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, KDE, Mac. Okay, OS Classic, and Mac OS. In application example, there are Microsoft Office, Payroll, presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint, desktop publishing, ada Photoshop, multimedia application. Okay, next. In information worker software, there are two parts, namely enterprise source planning software and accounting software. Data management include contact management, spreadsheet, and personal database. Okay, documentation include automatic document assembly, word processing, desktop publishing software. Finally, banking software. Banking software is a enterprise software used by the banking industry to profit and manage the financial product they profit. So, that's an explanation of the inside of a computer, its software and operating system. More or less, I'm sorry. I'm Hening Triharyumi. Hopefully, this explanation can be useful for everyone who listen, and don't forget to share and like this video with your friend. Thank you. Bye.